If you did not know, I am an Instagram creator ambassador. Today we're filming an outfit transition video idea. I thought I'd go and sit down and talk to you guys about what I use for my mobile setup. Go-to tripod is the Joby rangefinder. It's not really a traditional tripod. It does not have anything to really move the head. You can move it left and right. This is what I love to use. And then on top of this, what holds my phone is this Joby phone mount. So it's a clamp that opens up like this. The newer version, which I need to get, has a hot shoe, which means I can connect a shotgun microphone, LED lights, anything that has a cold shoe on it. So this is my go-to tripod. It travels with me. It comes with this little case. What I love about it is if I am traveling, you might think that this is pretty compact, but it actually folds up the opposite direction like so. That one I believe is about $100. This is what I recently picked up. This is a $23 tripod from Ulanzi. I was very skeptical about this because it is made out of plastic. It's extremely compact and it's about 3.5 feet, I want to say. What's cool about this though is it has a built-in phone mount, which is a game changer when you're on the go. You can put a small DSLR on here. I do believe Ulanzi or another company makes a taller version, which I'd love to get. But something I do like about this is that it doubles as a selfie stick. So if you want to get really cool shots like this, you can do that. Again, it's compact. You can hold this, put it into a bag, purse, really big purse, tote bag. It's lightweight. So this is definitely a must to have in a creator arsenal. The next thing that I have here is from Rode. So Rode makes a smartphone kit. And this right here is a smartphone clamp. I love the form factor. It has a hot shoe. And this actually comes with the tripod, LED light. And then I have the Rode Video Mic Go 2 right here. What's amazing about this microphone, using a USB-C to Lightning cable, I can connect this to any smartphone, virtually, well, iPhone. I do believe they have USB-C to USB or micro USB. They also have the auxiliary port. So if you just want to go straight from the aux to a converter straight into a phone, you can do that as well. Something else that comes with that smartphone attachment though is this. It is a dual hot shoe. What does that mean? It means if I wanted to put a microphone and I wanted to put an LED light or something else right here, I could achieve that with this dual hot shoe. A couple of other gadgets that I love to use in my mobile arsenal. DJI Osmo. This is the DJI Osmo OM3, I believe. It is a smartphone gimbal. If you're not familiar with that, it is a 3-axis stabilizer. It stabilizes the phone so it's less shaky. But this has a telescopic attachment as well. It also has a tripod mount. You can screw up to the bottom. But if you want to take it a step further, you can put a monopod or mount this to a light stand and be able to control it from an additional smartphone. Last couple of little gadgets that I use. Lighting. We covered stability, tripods, audio, but lighting, secondary, is really important. So right here I have the Nanlite PavoTube 2 6C, and then I have the LumeCube LC panel right here. It's the Pro 263 RGB. Both of these come preloaded with so many different effects, which I love, and I want to show you right now. Both of them actually have a full spectrum of colors. You can change them through an app. What I really love about the Nanlite is that the backing on it is magnetic. So if there is some hole, you can attach it to there. And if you have a bunch of these, you can mount them in a car, scene, and they're super low profile. They come with a thread on here so you can put onto a light stand, tripod. And then of course, what do I shoot this on? I often get asked, are you using the 14 Pro Max? I do not have that yet. When I wanted to get it, it was out. So I do need to get that. But this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes, the 12 Pro Max. So I missed the 13. Haven't gotten the 14 yet, and that is okay because the best camera that you have is the one that is on you. And 90% of my content is shot on this phone right here. I have the Canon R6 that's recording us right now, but that's for photography. That's for my YouTube channel. And we have so many other cameras that we can use. I just love this one because it has the LCD screen that flips out and the quality that comes out of it. For my headphones, I either use the Sony Link Buds or I use the Sony WH-1000 MX4. Everyone always asks, where can they find these tools? You can find them anywhere online if you just search them up, but an easier way, head over to DontaeCatlet.com. I have everything listed on my Amazon storefront, on my Sony storefront, so if you guys want to check that out, click the link in the description if you're watching on YouTube, or click the link in my bio if you're watching this on Instagram and TikTok. That'll do it. those are all the tools that I use. So now I'm gonna get into this video. Girlfriend ended up steaming all of these clothes. We prepared over here. I got all the outfits that we're gonna do. So today we're filming a transition video. So now I'm gonna move this over. For my setup, we have the Nanlite FS300B, Nanlite FS300 Mark II, and then we have the Nanlite Pavo Tube. I think it's the 4-foot one. Yep, that's my 3-point lighting setup right now. And then of course we have natural light windows coming in. Let's do this.